is, and, you know, sofa and chair or something like that, because this is a nice space. I want to show you out here before I run out of time on this one, because it has this huge oversized patio. You think we should do that? Obviously the fence has to be done. Fence was on its kind of last leg anyway. So it's got this hot tub back here. I'm actually going to recommend that we get rid of the hot tub. I think, you know, we want to appeal to the masses when you're selling a house. And I just think the masses don't want it. We'll see kind of where we end up on that. But if you take that out, we've got this huge patio, which I think is so fantastic. You could fit tables and chairs, you could fit sofa, you could even put a little cover up here eventually. Now, I won't ask the seller to do that just because of the price point, but I think there's a lot of possibilities out here if that doesn't exist in this space. So I'm curious what everybody thinks about hot tubs, and if my opinion on that goes with everybody else's. So this is the primary. It's great size. I love that. I don't think it needs to be staged because it's huge. That's obvious. I think it needs some paint. You know, you just, when you walk into your bedroom for the first time, you want it to feel fresh. I'm also going to recommend we take the screens off down here so it just, again, feels cleaner. So in the bathroom, we have, I don't know, this weird half wall of green paint. So I'm going to ask that that go away. We're going to get a deep clean going on in here. These are painted. Once the green paint is gone, I'm going to let that ride like it is. I don't love in here that the fixtures don't all match, and I don't mean color, I mean style. I feel like this is kind of a more, I don't know, maybe, you know, a farmhousey look versus this stuff, which is just kind of your builder basic stuff. So that may be something we talk about. We'll see. I'm going to add it to the list and see where we end up. More of that touch up. Ooh, that's a mess. So then back on this side, there are 2 more bedrooms. And again, we've just got a lot of mismatched stuff. So these 2 fixtures in here are fine, but they don't really go with the rest of the house. I'm gonna let that fly. You can kind of see how yellowed the original painting is here. So that I would prefer change. These bedrooms I think are fine. I would love to see them painted, but they're pretty, you know, basic. They are, I'm sorry, I said 2 bedrooms, but there's 3. Pretty basic, so they are what they are. I'm not overly concerned. Now this one has got some purple, and